In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called DevCheck Device and System Info. It has to be from Flare to Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Finally, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!